Good morning, guys. Welcome to daily video number 41. Got these pellets for my calves. I'm gonna go feed them. Should I put any in there?
No.
Okay. Just leaving it there. These guys are doing great, but A4, A8, no, not A8, A4, A2, and I believe A3, A5. Doesn't seem like they're dehydrated too much because their poop is looking good and their pee is looking good. A3 might be the best out of them.
She wasn't really sick.
A7 still needs some though.
She tried to give me some yesterday, didn't take it.
No, headbutt in me.
That's where you got the best deals. You got some that are. Why I told you don't buy that. You haven't even drank it. That's how you know these houses actually. They haven't drank the 6 kilos that I got the other day. They should have flown through that. It's almost been a week. Even if you minus these cows out of it, these cows should have been. 3 cows should have been. These two dry. Maybe these two drank the most. These ones have drank a little bit. We forced them to drink and again someday. Gray one too. Forcing and that black one.
The one with the screw worms is getting better. One standing up. Yeah. Next time I come. Oh yeah, I come to the house. That thing above his eye is from bot flies. It's just gets a lot of pus in there. They'll be gone eventually. Oh! Oh, I made these two girls over here some fresh grass. Hopefully they start eating the grass. They're still not doing as good, but they're doing a lot better than yesterday. She's smelling the grass. Hopefully she's gonna eat it. Hey, piggy. Got some milk and stuff for you. Some leftover milk from the cows. What you doing? Coming in. Made a mess of his bowls. Oh, sorry, bud. Scared him. That'll be good. You like that, don't you? Well, sadly, one of my heifers died this morning. We couldn't get her to absorb what we were giving her, and couldn't help get her to recover from the dehydration from when she got that at the auction. And she just stopped absorbing the stuff we were giving her and just died. And potentially we're gonna have another male die, but hopefully he can start absorbing what we given him in the milk and water. But who knows? Well, I brought the chickens water in here. Now it's time to look for eggs. We have to do this multiple times a day because all the chickens like to eat the other chickens' eggs. In there. And it's very annoying because we have all these chickens and we're lucky to get 4 eggs a week. This past couple weeks, I think we've maybe gotten 6 eggs. And I have to buy eggs. And we live on a farm and I don't want to buy eggs. Oh, these guys are doing good. The chicks. Alright, usually, before they were breaking them as much, when I got here, there was some in here. Nope, not today. I'll have to come back a little later and see. I don't think there's ever any eggs up here or in these boxes. He's been with his milk for not even 2 minutes and pushed it over there, and I think he dumped it. What are you doing, bud? Here's your water, bud. Drink that milk quick. I don't think he even dumped it. He just gobbled it right up. Let's see. Okay. First time he let me scratch him. Does he do this at least 3 or 4 times a week, right?
Never did this before. Oh, how'd I know? How'd I know? I was in the same spot. Hey, pig! What are you doing? Go ahead. That's enough. That's enough, Paloosa. Paloosa! Come here.
Is that my, yeah, my brown one? Looking good.
He's gonna have a baby. Messed up. I have to get her out of here.
Hey, girl. Yep.
Why?
that one spot. She made a new spot, fix that spot, so hopefully. So we gotta try to move all these cows into the corral. Or, oh, so. Alright, I got these two up. Stood them up, they were laying sleeping. They definitely haven't been eating grass. But I'm gonna give them a little bit of water. I'm gonna give them a little bit of milk. Their bellies are about empty from earlier. I think they've been feeling good. Oh, they're drinking milk now. Just this guy, girl. And they drank some water, but not as much as I wanted them to. I don't want to feed them too much in case their bodies can't absorb it as fast because they're still getting over dehydration. But they're doing a lot better than they were yesterday. I keep trying to get both of them to stand up. She'll stand up for a lot longer than she will. Corey's getting those cows moved while I do this, just so he can get that calf from feeding from that mama.
No.
Nice.
Go away, Felicia. You can open that gate.
Okay. Come on, girl. She looks like her back leg's limping.
Yeah, but she jumped like a fish.
Yeah, I saw.
Alright. Grab this.
Mm-hmm.